Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. This model has a 30 TFSI engine with 110 PS and a slick 6-speed manual gearbox, delivering a sporty and engaging drive. This model has had one previous owner. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Line enhanced exterior styling, including the aeronet grills, radiator grille and front bumper, giving this a more stylish front end over the Sport model. While as standard, we have the striking LED headlights, providing high-quality illumination. Moving around the side, we have the optional 18-inch 5 spoke alloy wheels, which look amazing and complement the stunning Python yellow paintwork perfectly, while there's also S-Line badges on the front wings, heated electrically adjustable body-coloured door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, black side under trim strips, as well as the optional contrasting roof, really adding to this car's overall sporty look. While if we move around the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the S-Line enhanced exterior styling also includes the roof edge spoiler, rear bumper and rear diffuser, giving this a stylish overall look over the Sport model. To access the boot, just hold down the button on the key or use a soft release on the hatch. For quite a nimble hatchback, this has a spacious boot with 335 litres of space, or the equivalent of 4 large suitcases, so adding a shopping or even a pushchair should be really easy, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flatback furniture, and once loaded everything, just pull down to close. Overall, this is a stunning hatchback that definitely stands out from the crowd, especially in the Python yellow paintwork. While even though it has a nimble profile, there's a spacious interior with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the cloth and leather upholstered seats it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the added benefit of ISOFIX points for the outer rear seats adds that reassurance that your child seats will stay secure while on the move. Now let's have a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. And what a great interior this is. In front of you there's a 3-spoke leather multifunction sports steering wheel with buttons to control the digital cockpit ahead, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we have these toggle switches which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information which can display consumption both short term and long term, as well as driver assist. There's also DAB, digital radio and media, as well as telephone equipment for your connected device. While if you find the information too distracting, you can have the reduced display on by clicking view, while if you click it again, it will display the information. This model has only done 3,197 miles, while as was registered on the 30th of March 2021, its warranty is still valid until the 30th of March 2024, while it will also come with the original set of 2 keys. As standard, we have the 8.8-inch multimedia interface Radio Plus display screen, with functionalities such as DAB, digital radio, media controls for your connected device with various sources such as Bluetooth and USB, telephone equipment for your connected device, as well as general car settings. While we also have the smartphone interface which allows you to connect your device media directly into the car via USB for the use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and you can find the USB port just below the toggle switches on the centre console. Moving down, we have the controls for the manual air conditioning, which is standard on this model, and with easy to access toggle switches, you can easily change your temperature, speed and direction on the move, without taking your eyes off the road. While on this model we also have the comfort and sound pack, adding some great extras including the heated front seats, which will come really handy, especially on those cold winter mornings. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, which allows you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty of modes to choose from such as efficiency and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options, but our personal favourite is dynamic as it's the most driver focused. Also included in the optional comfort and sound pack is the reversing camera with Parking System Plus, adding front and rear parking sensors. This is a really great feature to have when navigating through those tight spaces, while with the dynamic guidelines it means we'll be able to easily reverse into any parking space. Not only that, but we also have the immersive Bang & Olufsen sound system for the front and rear, which you can also tailor to your liking. So if you head into the car settings and sound, you'll be able to amend the treble and bass, so you can hear your media in full clarity. There's also cloth and leather upholstered front sport seats, which are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the polygon structure inlays really uplift the interior ambience. Overall, this is a really impressive interior, blending high quality materials and build quality with some great technology. This was a walk around of the Audi A1 Sportback S-Line. If you'd like to change your viewing, test drive or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us. Thank you for watching.